Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 20, 2025, about 7 days ago. The standout here is an end-to-end system that turns instructional videos into interactable notes by extracting hierarchical steps and multimodal cues, which users preferred over flat summaries. The paper is titled NoteIt, a system converting instructional videos to interactable notes through multimodal video understanding. And as we will see later, the results are really impressive. Beyond the core pipeline, the study reports strong chapter segmentation and high precision on visual key information, plus significantly better usability scores in user tests. On X, the authors announced NoteIt, highlighting automatic conversion of how-to videos into interactive notes and linking a demo video and website, with modest engagement showing 3 likes. Alright, the previous item summarized the system's goals and results. Figure 1 presents the end-to-end experience. A video is uploaded, processed, and turned into interactive notes with a visible hierarchy. The left panel shows the source video and transcript, the middle column shows the chapter and step graph for navigation, and the right side shows customizable notes that switch between interactive, printable, or concise layouts. This layout matters because users can jump by structure and pick the representation that fits their task. Okay, the previous figure introduced the interface. Figure 2 illustrates why structure matters, since real how-to videos mix sequential and parallel parts. The top panel shows a vertical structure. Chapters and the steps inside Chapter 2 proceed in strict order, which guides viewers from goal to action. The bottom panel combines vertical and horizontal structure. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner chapters are parallel, and several steps inside. Chapter 2 can occur in any order, so navigation benefits from explicit branching. So the previous figure highlighted why parallel and sequential flows matter. Figure 5 shows the full pipeline, which starts with video parsing to extract semantic and vision-aware keyframes plus speech transcripts. The blue block handles visual key information like text overlays and camera perspective changes, while the red block derives chapters, steps, and their relations. The purple block performs note creation, so thumbnails and chapter or step summaries populate a structured note scheme that users can render as printable or interactive notes. Well, the previous figure detailed the pipeline blocks. Figure 7 shows the concrete note scheme for a fitness video, which organizes content into chapters and steps with timestamps, summaries, thumbnails, and keyframes. The left branch lists chapter-level elements like timestamp, summarization, and structure, so navigation stays clear. The right branch expands a specific step, where concise and verbose summaries appear. Thumbnails and GIFs represent the action, and keyframes bundle text overlays and diagram cues. This layout makes the extracted multimodal signals directly usable for note rendering. So the previous figure detailed the note schema. Table 1 reports visual key information extraction, which separates static cues from dynamic camera changes. Static cues show high accuracy, with average recall near 92%, precision at 92%, and F1 about 91%. Dynamic camera manipulation shows high precision at about 91%, but lower recall around 68%, so prominent shifts are caught while subtle transitions are missed. The overall averages reflect this trade-off, landing near 80 for recall and 81 for F1. So the previous table quantified extraction accuracy. Table 2 reports user study statistics, which compare the baseline with NoteIt on consistency, informativeness, adaptability, and satisfaction. Scores are higher for NoteIt across shared questions, and Wilcox and tests show p-values below 0.001, indicating significant differences. The table also lists customization and interface usefulness means for NoteIt alone, which cluster around 4.1 to 4.7, suggesting that adjustable detail, modality, and tree-based navigation were genuinely helpful. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. The system reliably converts how-to videos into structured, multimodal notes that capture steps, visual cues, and verbal tips, and users strongly prefer the interactive, customizable interface over flat summaries. The broader implication is clear. Multimodal understanding can turn long videos into actionable workflows across education and skill training. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.